For these types of problems, you're just going to write a value in word form. And remember, word form is just a way to write a number using only words. So let's look at some examples. These are a little different than what we've been doing because these now have decimal values added in. So what you're going to do first is just sort of ignore the decimal value, the 1900ths, and just focus on the whole numbers first. So we know this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions place. So remember, no number's too hard to read when you think about them in groups of 3, and if you can read it, you can write it, because word form is just writing how you would normally read it. Remember our comma words, thousands, millions, and then you just look at the 3 numbers. So this is 3 million, this is 24,000, and this is 753. So that's what you're going to start off by writing. When you get to the decimal point, you don't write 0.19. You still have to show the standard way of saying the number. So in decimals, when you see the point, it actually stands for the word and. So and then we don't just write 19, we have to write 19. And then we look at the place values and we see that the last place value in the number is the second one to the right, and the second one to the right of the decimal is the hundredths place. So we have to put 19 hundredths. So this number is 3,024,753 and 19 hundredths. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Remember, first just sort of ignore the decimal value and do the first part, the whole numbers, like we normally would. 88,534,769. So then you would write those numbers. Okay, once you get that part down, 88,534,769, now comes the part that's a little bit different. Remember, when you see the decimal point, you write the word and. Okay, and now you just write this number just like you see it, just like that was 19. This is 3, so and 3, but now you need the place value word. So you have to look and see what place that 3 is in. Since the last digit in this number is in the tenths place, you're going to write 3 tenths. So this number ends up being 88,534,769 and 3 tenths. Okay, let's look at one more example. Remember, first you find the decimal and just sort of isolate that and save it for last, and then do this just like you normally would. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. You can remember your comma words, thousands, millions, billions. And then just read the number in the period and follow it by the comma word, and you'll be able to write the word form easily. So in this case, it's going to be 7,338,166. And now is where you get to the part that's a little bit different. So first, remember, you have to write the word and then you need to look at the number that's after the decimal. So this number is 60. So I'm going to write the number 60. And the last step is to write my place value word. And how you do that is you look at the very last digit of the number, which is the 0, and you think about what place that 0 is in. Since it's in the hundredths place, you're going to label it 60 hundredths. Okay, now you try some on your own, and if you need help, you can always come back and rewatch the video. Good luck!